Omis, a small beachside town about 45 minutes south of Split, Croatia. In a stunningly beautiful setting, it's known by travelers mostly for adventure. World-class zip lines, rafting, and strolling cobblestone alleyways. But there's something else that Omis should be known for: the best meal I experienced in Croatia. To find it, we made the 10-minute drive up into the mountains from town, and as the views got better and the people got fewer, we found Neklice, a small village overlooking the coast. We came here on a tip. We are on the road less traveled in the town of Neklice, looking for a restaurant called Palacio, which was a recommendation from our guide on the rafting trip. The town was quiet, really quiet. In fact, we weren't sure how or why such a great restaurant could be up in a place like this. But eventually we found it, Konoba Palacio. Wow, this place looks unexpectedly swank. We'll have to get a look at the menu, see what the prices are. If you're on a budget, don't worry. This place is very affordable. It's a real gem. Yeah, this is off the grid. Nice recommendation from Mike, the raft guide. This is Petar, the owner and chef of Konoba Palacio. He worked the kitchen in a Michelin-recommended restaurant in Split for years before deciding to bring that experience and love of fine cuisine back to his hometown. Getting a look behind the scenes at places like this. This is clearly where the magic happens here. We got a Dutch oven. He's got his oven. He's cooking my fish right now. And by the looks of it, to perfection. In my experience, when a chef says, "Come here, follow me,"
yes,
you follow.
Yes.
Perfect roasting temp for a sea bass at 220 Celsius? Check. Petar slipped me a taste of the risotto straight from the pan.
Huh?
She goes, huh? Huh? Yeah, it's good. And so was everything else. A beautiful oven-roasted sea bass, hand-seared tuna, and of course that fantastic risotto. We wanted Petar to decide what to serve, so we ordered the chef's special, which started us out with an appetizer plate of tuna tartare, fresh bread, and homemade cheeses. And we wasted no time demolishing it. Our waiter, Shimon, filled us in on how Palacio came to be. Petar is from here, not just from here, he's from here. This is his childhood home. He moved here after 10 years in the restaurant industry at a Michelin-recommended restaurant over in Split and opened this place up, and I'm very happy he did. And I love that the chef pays a visit to the table to explain each of the dishes he's prepared. But he wasn't done yet. It was time for dessert, a delicious dish somewhere between frozen cake and soft ice cream. It was incredible. It's a frozen dish.
Oh my god.
I thought this was cake.
Oh,
it's like frozen.
Whoa.
That was so good. Hey Petar, I get it. I mean, who wouldn't want to roll out of bed and be at work? Especially if it was at a place like this. It's very rare for me to say that a restaurant can be the centerpiece of a travel day or a centerpiece of a trip, but I'm going to go that length and say that Konoba Palacio is that kind of restaurant. Circle it on your calendar and build your day around it here in Omis. Foodies! It's a fantastic culinary experience.
Thank you very much.
One Michelin quality meal destroyed.